Welcome to my channel.
Pakistan versus India specifications. Flag. Flag of Pakistan. Flag of India. Independence Day 14th August 1947. 15th August 1947. Founder of the country. Pakistan 𝓐𝓼𝓼𝓪𝓵𝓪𝓶. India Mahatma Gandhi. National language. Pakistan Urdu. India Hindi. Capital city. Capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad. India's capital city is New Delhi. National game. Pakistan's national game is hockey. India's national game is hockey. National dress. Pakistan national dress is shalwar kameez. Indian national dress is sari. National flower. Pakistan national flower is jasmine. Indian national flower is lotus. National animal. Pakistan national animal is markhor. Indian national animal is tiger. National currency. Rupee. Indian currency is Indian rupee. Country map. Pakistan's country map. India's country map. If you liked our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.